In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce gas fees on Uniswap. Open your browser and go to app.uniswap.org. Click on Connect and choose the wallet you're using, for example, MetaMask. Choose the token you want to swap from the drop-down menu. For example, select Matic. Enter the amount you want to swap, for example, 0.5 Matic, and select the token you want to swap into, for example, USDT. Click on Swap and then confirm Swap. Unfortunately, you cannot directly reduce gas fees on Uniswap itself. However, you can adjust gas fees through your connected wallet. For example, if you're using MetaMask, click on the gas fee option and choose Low to reduce fees. Alternatively, you can click on Advanced to manually adjust the gas fees according to your preferences. After adjusting the gas fees, click on Confirm to proceed with the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be completed and you can track its progress on your wallet interface. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video,